Welcome back to 50 Car. Some legends sleep, they don't die. The Toyota Celica returns in 2026 not as a shadow of its past, but as a vibrant symbol of motion, youth, and rebellion. This is not a revival, it's a resurrection with purpose. Main features. The 2026 Celica is Toyota's ode to affordable performance. Built on a lightweight sport coupe platform, it boasts a turbocharged 2.0-liter inline, 4-engine, rear-wheel drive, and manual or paddle-shifted automatic options. Styling echoes the Celica GT-Four era, but blends modern aggression with aerodynamic finesse. Exterior design. Up front, a wide hexagonal grille with aggressive black mesh dominates the face, flanked by slim matrix LED headlamps that snarl with intent. The sculpted hood features subtle heat extractors, while sharp side creases flow seamlessly into the tapered rear fenders. A high-mounted ducktail spoiler crowns the back, paired with twin center exit exhausts and an LED light bar. Pros: youthful, aggressive styling, perfect stance, great color options. Cons: rear visibility is tight, body panels prone to minor scuffs. Interior and dashboard design. Step inside and you're met with a driver-focused cockpit. A 12-inch digital cluster greets you with customizable displays, and the 10.1-inch central touchscreen features wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The bucket seats, trimmed in Alcantara and contrast stitching, hug tight during spirited drives. Controls are simple, tactile, and logically placed. Pros: clean interface, sporty seating, intuitive infotainment. Cons: rear seats are cramped, cabin plastics feel cost-cutting in base trims. Performance. Pushing out 295 horsepower and 280 lb-ft of torque, the Celica hits 0-60 miles per hour in 5.2 seconds. The chassis is tight, steering sharp, and cornering eager. Sport mode adjusts throttle, steering weight, and stability controls, while the adaptive suspension smooths daily bumps. Pros: excellent handling, powerful engine, strong brakes. Cons: engine can get buzzy at high revs, warranty excludes certain performance mods. Market positioning. Starting at $32,500, the 2026 Celica is aimed at young professionals and nostalgic enthusiasts aged 25-45. It competes with the Subaru BRZ, Mazda MX-5 RF, and Hyundai Envision 74. What it offers is unique character, modern tech, and a return to Toyota's youthful, performance-driven identity. Additional features. Optional features include JBL Premium Audio, Carbon Aero Kit, and Track Pack with Brembo brakes. Toyota offers a 3-year 36,000-mile standard warranty, extendable with TRD coverage for performance components.